Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you understand all the different types of ovens available today. In our research, we found the ovens can generally be divided into the following segments. First, heat source. Then, heat control within the oven. Third, we have the temperature control. Next, we have the installation style. And finally, we have the function of the oven. As we go along, we will be sure to mention our recommendations for some of these category ovens. As always, all the links for the products we mention are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. The first category of ovens our team researched were those with different types of heat sources. The first one is a gas oven. These provide a great deal of control over your cooking and allow you to precisely adjust the temperature at which you wish to cook. It will also heat up faster than an electric oven. Cooking with a gas generates a wet environment in the oven, making it less likely the meal you are creating will dry up. Next is the steam oven. They are a great option for homes that want to cook nutrient-dense, healthy cuisine. These ovens work by injecting water into a boiler within the oven. This water can either be fed into the boiler through a water line or held in a separate canister until needed. The boiler will produce steam, which will heat up the oven. The third type of oven is the electric oven. These are not only less expensive than gas ovens, but they are also easier to use and do not have issues with blocked ports or out-of-service pilot lights. You can quickly heat up your electric oven by pressing a button or turning a dial. An example of an electric oven is the Frigidaire Gallery series. The 5 parts of the Frigidaire electric cooktop work together to provide flexibility and space needed for most home cooking. The Keep Warm burner, which is located in the center back, can maintain a temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit while freeing up the 2 front and back burners for cooking. There are multiple rings in the front 2 burners as well. The multiple ring design is ideal for a variety of pots and pans. Our team was impressed by this Frigidaire's true convection performance during testing, as it baked cookies with comparable patterns across pans and produced a pizza with a well-browned bottom. Even French fries were also made using the air fry settings. Lastly, we have the traditional oven. This oven will ensure that you're not dissatisfied every time you create a pizza. These are specifically built to withstand the high heat required for a great pizza. A traditional oven that we recommend is the Gozney ROCCBOX pizza oven. The ROCCBOX is a well-crafted piece of equipment composed entirely of shining metal and encased in a silicone shell. Our team found that the silicone is intended to protect you against burns. A rolling flame design is used in the oven. This means the flame from the back burner reaches across the top of the dome interior and towards the open entrance. While a broad definition of portability is required, the ROCCBOX can technically be transferred from one area to another. The ROCCBOX is delivered in one unit and does not require an assembly. This 44-pound oven is easily lifted out of its box thanks to its carry strap. There are also ovens which control heat in the oven space differently. These are typically known as conventional and convection ovens. Let us explain the differences for you here now. Conventional ovens use an electric element or a gas burner. Heat radiates up and pushes cold air down in this sort of oven, resulting in uneven cooking or baking. Meanwhile, the convection oven uses a fan to assist disperse hot air evenly throughout the oven. This means your food will be evenly baked since hot air will circulate to it. For a convection oven, our team have 2 recommendations for you. The first is the Breville Smart Toaster Oven. The Breville Smart Oven is a convection toaster with 1800 watts of power and the Breville's Element IQ technology. It is a great medium-sized model that is a little smaller than the other items on our list. Its capacity to maintain a given temperature better than the majority of its competitors impressed our team. This oven is great for baking cookies and melting cheese. Even though the setting isn't labeled as such, the Breville's convection mode allows you to air fry food. It has a more modern and user-friendly interface, except for the fact that it only comes with 1 rack. It is strong and adaptable enough to replace your full-sized oven. Next is the GE Electrical Double-Walled Oven. The GE electric double wall convection oven is equipped with innovative features that stand out from other models in its price range. You can see how much time is remaining until your food is done by looking up at a strip of red LEDs above the upper oven. It's a good addition to the regular digital timer. Even better is the GE Brilliance app remote control and preheating capability. Our team found this oven offers both strong core features and a great cooking performance. If you like to make a lot of food and want a sophisticated high-end and a little quirky tool for the job, we recommend this GE double oven. If you prefer to use a conventional oven, our recommendation is the Toshiba microwave oven. The Toshiba microwave oven has a 1.2 and a power of 1100 watts that is perfect for your apartment kitchens or office break rooms. Our team appreciates that it incorporates sensor reheating, which allows you to make 6 popular dishes at the push of a button. It has a larger digital display with a clock that can count down and cook time. For additional one-touch ease, you can program up to 3 favorite time and power combinations. The Toshiba microwave has a big door handle that makes it simple to open and close the microwave. By tapping the number of minutes you wish to cook, it can be switched on at 100% power for 1 to 6 minutes. Next, we have the type of ovens that can control the temperature differently: the single oven and the double oven. Single ovens allow the user to cook at a single temperature. They're ideal for even the smallest kitchens because they don't take up much space and have fewer parts to worry about breaking or failing. Unlike the single oven, the double oven is for larger families or people who party frequently at home. A double oven is ideal since this allows you to prepare 2 items at the same time but with different temperatures. Next, we have the different types of ovens based on installation. The first one is the freestanding oven. This type of oven can be placed almost anywhere in the kitchen. It usually includes a cooktop on top of the appliance, which eliminates the need to find additional space in your kitchen for this cooktop. Next, we have the wall-mounted oven. They usually have more cooking space and are extremely easy to load and unload. It is one of the most expensive versions in terms of installation. Thirdly, we have the slide-in oven. This is created by sliding in an oven onto a custom cabinet. It costs more than the freestanding, but not as much as the wall-mounted. A slide-in oven closes the gap between the oven and the cabinet, making it less likely for crumbs to fall in. Lastly, the type of oven based on installation is the drop-in oven. This type of oven is placed in a custom-built cabinet by raising and lowering it. It requires more effort to set up than the slide-in model. Finally, here are the different types of ovens based on function. These are the microwave and oven toaster grill ovens. Microwave ovens are most commonly used for heating and defrosting and work by using radio waves. Oven toaster grill ovens is used for heating and cooking. These rely on good old-fashioned filament coils. And there you have it, folks, the In the Kitchen's team breakdown of everything you need to know before you buy a new oven. If you have any insights that you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.